Oh, hi there. Today we will be watching funniest Indian matrimonial videos compilation Funny Indian Marriages Funny 2. Not to be mistaken for Funny 1. This is Funny 2. I came across the video of, I think most of us have already seen the I don't want to be called honey pumpkin that that one, and I thought it was hilarious, top notch. So I was like, you know what, we should watch it together since we are already on this train of, marriages and just the 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 joy of love. So let's just get into it.
Fourth, I will never cook for him because a woman's place is not in the kitchen. Fifth, I will never dance with him because I do not want him to lead. That is also very insulting for a woman.
Okay, fine, you don't want to cook. That's okay. People don't like cooking. But you don't want to dance with him? Because feminism?
Sixth, if he ever opens the door for me, I will leave him. I mean, he should not think that I cannot open my own doors.
Nobody fucking do anything for this woman. You do anything for this woman, she'll be like, I can do that myself. So so she just wants like an asshole. She just wants like some dude who doesn't want to dance with her, who doesn't want to, be a gentleman, just wants to treat her like shit. I think that's what she's looking for. I think oh yeah, I was gonna call her by her name, but I guess we don't know that because smart, modern woman.
So, all the males who are interested can send their mails at poojachaturvedi@com.
Ah, we got her name, Pooja Chaturvedi.
Hi, I'm Kalpana, and I want to make it clear itself now that
Kalpana, I just want to say there is nothing clear about your voice, so you shouldn't. No, I shouldn't put this in. That's mean. Kalpana, I'm sorry. But if I put this in, I'm a terrible person.
I have a miniskirt which I wear it occasionally, and I want a boy to respect that and his family.
Is that just me or is it oddly sweet? I don't know. It might just be me. Poor girl, dude. She was just like, she has a mini skirt. She wants to wear it, and you know what? It's fine, dude. You want to wear a mini skirt, you wear it. I'm not gonna make fun of that.
Hello, myself Jigna. I'm strict vegetarian from a strict Gujo family. I see boy.
Oh my god. Strict vegetarian from a strict Guju family. I have a friend who is exactly like this. We have a podcast together. You guys should listen to it on Spotify. It's called The Boring Podcast. It's really very, very fun.
Who has been to US of America at least once.
I was gonna let it play for a bit, but I'm sorry. But just, he has to go to the US of America. Okay? Did you think of some other US? Hell no. Only America.
At least once. I would like a simple
Myself Pandurang. I want a girl. She love me or my mother. She should be able.
Wait, did he say? Did he say I want a girl? She love me, or my mother? Odd request for you to be like, you can either love me, or my mom, or anyone else. Also, really, actually, you know what? You can love anybody, but you can still stay my wife.
Able to do cook like my mother. She should be veg only. Eggs allow on Sunday. She should be beautiful. Same frank skin color. Can't be black or white. Must be looking normal without patches. I think main thing is heart. If your heart is beautiful, then you are beautiful.
No. Shut up, you superficial asshole. He lists this entire thing of should not be white, should not be black, should not be fair. 10th board results should be very good. He has all these things, and the end of it, he's like, if it's very good at the heart, we should all use good human. Shut up, you. Wait, this can't be real, right? This cannot be real. This is an ironic joke. It cannot be real. I don't buy this is 100%. People are not like this. right?
But I'm not a handsome or good looking guy. But my mom said that I'm a good guy.
Now I feel kind of bad. Now I feel bad because he's sort of self-depreciating also. He's like, I'm not handsome or good looking. And now I feel bad for making fun of him. I'm sorry, dude.
Hi, myself Karthik.
Hi,
You
Karthik.
can call me K.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, K.
I am an innocent divorcee. Looking for an innocent girl
Innocent divorcee.
who is never married before.
Odd thing to say.
Girl should have a strong roots, but should not eat roots like potato, onion.
What?
Girl should
If someone understood what he's trying to say, please let me know. She should have strong roots, but should not
able to
eat roots.
make all Jain dishes,
Oh,
Like
okay.
Jain pasta.
I get it.
Jain bhaji pav,
Ah,
Jain omelette.
Jain omelette. That can't be a thing. Omelette has egg in it. But what do I know?
And nighttime, Jain love.
Jain love. Love. Jain love. I can't.
Girl should not have similarity to my old wife, like long hair. Hair from noses are not welcome.
You know what? I can't hate the guy. Hair
Hair from noses.
is pretty weird.
Hello, my name is Asha, but the
Hi,
boy
Asha.
should not have any Asha from me.
Oh,
as I'm
no.
not a typical Indian girl.
No.
The boy should have love me and always book all vacations with MTDC. His
I don't know
mother
what
tongue should be
MTDC
my
is.
mother tongue, as it is easier for communication purpose. If he wants child, it should be not from me, because I'm not a delivery girl.
No. She is not a delivery girl. A delivery girl sounds so weird. It sounds like the Swiggy delivery girl. I don't think that's the same delivery. Pooja? I don't remember her name. Oh my god. Look who it is. The legend herself. Should I say Pumpkin?
お前はもう死んでいる。何
Myself Riddhima and I am looking
Oh,
for
her name is Riddhima, sorry. I almost called her Honey.
a suitable groom who will never call me any pet name. Boy should strictly remember that he don't call me pumpkin, honey, sugar, any other sweet name, because
No
I am
sweet
not
name.
a dessert. The boy should
She's not a
understand
dessert.
that
How about like salt? Can I call you salt? Namak mirchi. Will that work? Bhindi, aloo, like that also will work? Because she doesn't want. She's not dessert. She didn't say anything about other food.
should also keep in mind that comparing me with her toy will not be tolerated. He should never call me Teddy,
here it comes.
Kitty, Dolly, because I am not going to play with him. Only interested males can apply with resume no pets at .com.
Namaste.
Can apply with
That's her
resume
email?
no pets at .com.
Her email is nopets@gmail.com. How far does someone go to dislike pet names? It's impressive, honestly. Anyway, guys, we have come to the end of this episode. We are only halfway through this, but it's already been really long, and I don't want to make this another really long video because all my videos are being like really long. And if you like this, let me know so that maybe I might make a part 2 if it's people want to see me, if people want to see me. If they don't, and anyway, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.